teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
What is going on, you guys? AkVangFirearms. So we are at the range, and yeah, today's a beautiful morning, and as you can see, the sunlight is shining in my eyes. But other than that, we're gonna run, just some exercises, help get the blood flowing, and yeah, let's get into it. So there's something I want to mention very quick before we start shooting. So as you can see, there is 3 firearms here. There is my Shadow System, my Glock 17 Gen 3, and that one at the end right there, it is my buddy's Glock 19X. So I just want to mention something is that the quote unquote I only shoot better when it's my favorite firearm. And honestly, truth, you should be able to shoot any firearms that you can pick up. It doesn't matter what kind of firearm it is. As long as you're proficient and you train to shoot, you should be able to shoot any type of firearm. Right, David?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. As an example, let me show you. As you can see, there is steel target over there. First one. Shadow System MR920. Four rounds. Renders safe and clear. Glock 17 Gen 3. Oh, let's do a follow-up shot. There you go. Safe.
Clear.
And last but not least, the 19X. Clear?
Clear.
So the moral of this is basically just put in the hours of training, do dry firing, and just practice your target, sight acquisition, and all that other shit that you should be practicing. If you buy a firearm, don't buy it and keep it stored, because that's product buying. Buy it and train with it. That's called being a gun owner. All right, let's get into some of the fun stuff. Hey, what's going on, you guys? All right, so we're gonna do some quick warm-ups. Just one shot from the holster. Maybe like 5 repetitions of just doing it. So from here, boom, holster, boom. Go at your own pace. If you feel confident enough, you can go faster. If you want to take it slow, you can go slower. As again, this is all just warm-up shots only. But yeah, all right.
Your next drill, dude.
All right, so now since we feel good enough with this warm up, next warm up drill, speed reloads. I love doing it. You should too. Oh. So, what I would advise for you to do is, whenever you're working on these drills, again, take your time. You can either go slowly or go faster, depending on how confident you feel. These are just warm-up drills. If you start missing your shots, slowly take your time. Go slower again, and then build up that confidence and speed. One more time. Feel good? David, you think I can get it a little bit faster?
Let's try it.
All right, for this last warm up, as fast as you can.
Try it.
Ah, missed. Ah, back.
There we go. Under pressure. Putting it all on me.
That was hard.
Run, 3 shots, reload, 3 shots. So finishing up with total 9 bullets. Okay. Threat. Nice. Good man. Don't say about that drill, my man.
It feels good.
What does it incorporate?
I feel like it incorporates a lot of getting off the X and fucking while you're engaging a threat, moving on to the next threat while being in target accuracy.
Good
like
shit.
it.
Yeah.
Run it again.
Threat.
Right.
Right, man. What drill is this?
So basically it's the same thing, kind of like what we did ago, but we're just at the end kneeling to simulate taking cover behind a cinder block, because there's a difference between cover and concealment. Don't forget about that, kids. All right.
Threat.
Ah, motherfucker. Fuck off! You know what? Fuck, man, let's redo that shit again.
Threat.
Now that one felt better than a go. So there is a whole bunch of drills that you can learn. It could be either combat drills, fucking competitive drills, just a lot of competition drills. I think what's more important is just learning fundamental drills. Basically, if you're a brand new gun owner, you learn how to just basically properly hold a pistol, both hands, whenever you shoot, and basically just goes back to what I said in the beginning, dry fire. Dry fire as much as you can because it's important. So, my buddy and I were talking, and we think that, I talked to my buddy, he says that what he needs to work on more is his drawing from the holster whenever he shoots. So we are gonna work on that. So let's get it. Oh, I missed. One trick is that even though it doesn't matter how fast you draw, please take your time when you do it, because in the moment you take your time is the moment when you can properly get a sight picture and then pull the trigger to hit your target. If you're running optics, trust your optic. Just like that. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. You think you got it, David? Yeah. Let's get it.
Her.
Yep.
Me and the homies always do press checks.
Yes, sir. Ooh, there you go. Now go as slow as you can. There you go.
Always make ready with the next one.
Yes, sir. Fucking get it. Oh. Let's pick it up. Oh. Slow down. Nope. Let's get it. The best part about this is that even though David is shooting, David's slowly taking his time while shooting. And then whenever David feels comfortable enough, David will pick up his speed and eventually start shooting faster. Little choke up right there, buddy.
Yeah. Got caught on the jacket.
There you go. Whew. Wait, hold on, stay there, stay there, stay there. No, stay there, stay there. Follow up shot, catch. Woo! There you go. Nice. So David, how did that feel for you? Slowly starting off by shooting and then slowly picking up your pace when you're unholstering your firearm while shooting.
I mean, Slow is steady.
You hear that? Slow is steady.
Steady is fast. Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast, brother.
Oh yeah, you guys heard that? Oh.
That was a dope-ass training session, my man.
It was, and I loved it. But as you know, time's almost up, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and I hope you enjoy your beautiful sunny morning. But as always, I hope you liked the video, I hope you share, and please don't forget, for any new viewers, I hope you guys can follow with me as we grow the channel. Subscribe.
Hey, back here, heads up.